Wellbore survey data are used to determine the path taken between a known surface position and a final bottom hole location computed from the survey observations made during drilling. Geospatially, the precision with which the wellbore path is represented is dependent upon numerous factors that includes knowing the vertical and horizontal referencing, quality of the survey observations, and computational techniques used in determining the downhole positions. Introducing GeoSuite Online Wells, a cloud-based application offering the following functionality: manual and automated import of wellbore survey observations and associated geospatial metadata, creation of project databases comprising multiple wellbore surveys, perform independent computations to determine wellbore path from surface to total depth, and generate QC plots of the data, and export the wellbore survey data to a common exchange format. As part of the overall GeoSuite Online toolkit, this application integrates seamlessly with the other components by sharing parameters, algorithms, and geospatial data in the computations it performs. Any available geospatial data associated with the wellbore can be captured manually or automatically and presented in a series of separate tabbed pages, of which an example is shown opposite. Captured are all the parameters and parameter values describing the surface position of the wellheader, the referencing systems used, both horizontally and vertically, in addition to the structure from which it was drilled, the type of well, its status, and when drilling was performed. Wellbore survey data can be loaded into the application manually using the file processing wizard shown opposite, or automatically using our API endpoints embedded into your data loading scripts. Once the relevant mandatory data has been loaded, it is presented in tabular form as shown. Data in the table can be edited to remove any outliers or gross errors detected by the QC routines. This ensures that the data used in the computations yields a more meaningful result. The surface position of any well headers contained in the project database can be viewed in the main map as shown. Select the desired project from the inventory available, and all well headers in that project will be displayed. The panning and zooming functions enable you to quickly navigate to the well header of interest. The symbol drawn at the horizontal coordinates of a well header represent the type of well that was drilled or its current status. This can be cross-referenced to the legend shown. The tooltip function displays some basic attributes about the well, which includes its name, universal well identifier, reference system, status, and type. Using the measured depth, inclination, and azimuth, computations are performed to determine the coordinates of the wellbore trajectory at each surveyed data point. The default method is the minimum curvature, although computations are also performed using several other methods for comparison. The results of the independent computations are displayed in the calculated trajectory data table as shown, which also includes the input data submitted by the analyst. A significant number of QC checks are performed on the data by the automated routines. The results of the quality control are shown in both tabular and graphical form. The wellbore can be viewed three-dimensionally, with or without the error of uncertainty cone superimposed on the well trajectory. Simple controls enable the viewing angle and perspective to be changed, so the wellbore can be observed in multiple ways, with the survey data points fully annotated. The export function currently provides two main export formats, which are the IOGP P717 format and GeoJSON. Select the format required, and after export is completed, the file will appear in your Downloads directory. GeoSuite Wells by Geomatic Solutions. Understanding your geospatial data. Improve your decision-making.